Hi, Colin with Dow Dynamics. Today we're going to be going over and showing you how to install our new Elite Series fogs on this 2021 Ford Bronco. Our Elite Series fog lamps were designed to be the first OE-style fog lamp that provides a true upgrade in performance while also giving your Bronco a more modern and aggressive look compared to your factory lamps. Our Elite Series lamps are the widest aftermarket fog lamp on the market, producing an industry-leading 80-degree spread. What really sets these lamps apart is the patent-pending optic, which delivers an extremely sharp cutoff that meets SAE F3 standards and features a unique BMW-style color banding. When you combine these with the multi-die automotive emitters inside, our Elite Series fog lamps provide 152% more output than the Bronco's factory lamps. Our Elite Series fog lamps come in two different color options, a 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow. And all Elite Series fog lamps come standard with the distinctive amber backlight. This gives you an additional accent light along with the main beam for a unique modern look. You'll notice that our Elite Series fog lamps are constructed using OEM-grade materials, including a precision aluminum casting, a UV-coated outer lens, and a copper PCB inside. We are proud to say that these lamps are not imported. Unlike other options on the market, our Elite Series fog lamps are designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and are backed with an industry-leading 8-year warranty. Our engineers CAD designed these to be a direct bolt-on plug-and-play fitment with integrated aiming adjustment and no modification or assembly required. Let's get them installed. We're starting our installation on the passenger side of the vehicle, and as you can see, we have our wheels turned all the way to the left. This is so that we can gain access to the back of the bumper. Now we have access to the back of the bumper, we can unplug our factory fog light harness and then grab a 10mm socket because we'll be removing 4 screws that hold the factory fog light onto the back of the bumper. With those screws removed, we can now take out our factory fog lamp. Now we can install our Elite Series by reusing the same 4 screws that held on our factory fog lamps. It's important to note that we won't be able to reach the integrated aiming adjustment screw on the back of the lamps with them installed. So what we're going to do is only install 2 screws and then turn on our lamps to test our aim. Then if need be, we'll remove our lamp and make our final aiming adjustments before reinstalling. With those 2 screws installed, we can plug in our provided adapter harness. To do so, we'll plug our DT connector into the back of the lamp and then the other end into our factory fog light harness. If it doesn't turn on, don't worry, just flip the connector 180 degrees. Once you're happy with where they're aimed, we can install those other 2 screws. Once we're finished with the passenger side, we can repeat the same steps on the driver's side and tap our backlight wire to the side marker. But first, we'll need to remove our fender flare and peel back some of our fender liner. To remove our fender flare, we're going to be turning these 5 fasteners. Now we can pop the fender flare off by pulling it away from the vehicle. Now that our fender flare is off, we can remove this plastic push clip using a plastic removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Our last step before we can pull our fender liner back is removing this screw using a 7mm socket. To peel our fender liner back, we're going to put our thumbs into these little cutouts and then we're going to push it up and towards the inside of the vehicle. Our next step is to disconnect our headlight harness. We're not going to be able to show you this on camera since it's inside the vehicle, but once you locate the harness, you're just going to want to compress this clip and pull it out of the back of the headlight. Looking at the back of the headlight harness, you'll note that there's little numbers on each corner. We've got a 1, an 8, a 9, and a 16. We're going to be splicing our T-tap into this wire coming out of the number 9 slot. On the driver's side, the wire is going to be green and orange, and on the other side, it's going to be brown and yellow. Once we've identified our wire, we can clamp down our T-tap and then secure it with a pair of needle nose pliers. Then we can plug our backlight wire into the T-tab and then connect our headlight harness. Now we can secure up any excess wiring using a zip tie and then put everything back together by reversing the same steps we used to take it apart. Once you're done with that, you can repeat the same steps on the other side of the vehicle. As you can see with our Elite Series fog lamps installed, not only will you benefit from the increase in performance, but you'll also have a new aggressive look to your Bronco. If you're looking to pick up a pair of Elite Series fog lamps for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at dowdynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you're looking to stay up to date on any of our new products, make sure you subscribe and click that notifications bell below. Thanks for watching.